So Roman number 4, we have 9 question of 3 marks, which carries 27 marks. So solving the first one, that is 25th question. So the sum of first 9 terms of an arithmetic progression is 144 and its ninth term is 28. Then find the first term and common difference of the arithmetic progression. So now first we have to write what is the data they have given and what needs to find out. So I'll just write what they have given. So they have given sum of the first 9 term, that is nothing but Sn, whereas n is equal to 9. That means S9 is equal to 144 and ninth term is 28. We have 9 terms, that means ninth one is n is equal to 9. Okay, ninth term is 28. That means the last digit of this expression is 28. L is nothing but 28. So this is the data they have given. Now they asked us to find the first term and the common difference, that is A question mark and D question mark. D is nothing but the common difference. Okay, so now since we know the sum, that is Sn as well as L last digit, we have the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Okay, now we need to replace the formula with the given values, whereas Sn is nothing but S9 is equal to n is nothing but 9 by 2. A, we do not know the value of A, so keep as it is, plus L is 28. Now we know the value of S9, that is 144 is equal to, write 9 by 2 as it is and A plus 28 as it is. Now just do the cross multiplication. Okay, so now keep 144 as it is while taking this 9 by 2 this side, so it will become 2 by 9 is equal to A plus 28. Okay, so here 9 ones are 9 16s are 16 into 2s are 32 is equal to A plus 28. So A is equal to 32 minus 28, that is 4. So now we know the value of A as 4. Now we need to write the another formula to find the value of common difference, that is D. Okay, so what do? We have another formula, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, is equal to An, that is A9, A plus n minus 1 D. What is the value of A9? We know the value of A9, that is nothing but 28. Okay, and A is nothing but 4, n is nothing but 9, and now we don't know the value of D. Okay, that is 28 minus 4, take this 4 this side, is equal to 9 minus 1 D. 28 minus 4 is 24, 9 minus 1 is 8D, that is 8D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 by 8 and D is equal to 3. Okay, so now we have the value of A as 4 and D as 3. Okay, so now I'll tell you how this 3 marks will get distributed for these steps. Okay, first thing is you have to write the formula where each formula carries half mark. So if you just write this formula, you'll get half marks. And if you just write this formula, you'll get another half. So just by writing these two formulas, you will get 1 marks. Okay. And till here, okay, what are the steps you have? You'll get half marks. And here half marks. Okay, sorry, till the answer, till a value, you have half marks. That is 1, 2 is over. Now, till here it is half mark. Till finding the value of d carries half mark. So this is how they have distributed the marks. Diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than its shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, then find the sides of the field. Okay, so here we have two questions in 26, that is or. One is this question, or we have another question. I'll solve that later. So we'll just solve this question first. Okay, now what they have answered. The rectangle, the diagonal of a rectangular means I'll just draw a rectangular with one diagonal. Okay, and I'll name it as rectangular A, B, C, D. Okay, this is 90 degree. Now they have asked rectangular diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. Okay, now let's assume shorter side is x. Okay, so in the rectangular, you know which is a shorter side. Okay, obviously A and AB, that is vertical line. So this is a shorter side, you know it. Okay, x centimeter. So x centimeter. So what they have said, diagonal is 60 meter more than its shorter side. That is nothing but x plus 60 meter. Okay, this is x meter, this is x plus 60 meter. If the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter side, that means BC is the longer side. It is 30 more than the shorter side, whereas shorter side is x, that is x plus 30 meter. Okay, now let's assume shorter side is x meter. It is nothing but AB, side AB. And here ABCD is a rectangular field. Okay, rectangular field. Now here AB is x meter, BC is x plus 30 meter, and diagonal AC is x plus 60 meter. Okay, now for the rectangular with the diagonal, we have the formula, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is AC square is equal to sum of these two sides, AB square plus BC square. Now we need to replace it with the value, that is x square, sorry, AC is nothing but x plus 60. Okay, x plus 60 square is equal to AB is x square plus BC is x plus 30 whole square. Now here we have to add a formula, that is A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, now consider x as A, 60 as B. So x square, 60 square, 2 into x into 60 is equal to, write x square as it is. Now x, I'll apply the formula for this as well, that is x square plus 30 square plus 2 into x into 30. Okay, just simplify it. Like I'll just simplify the formula by taking all the digits into one side. Okay, that is x square. I'll take this 2x square this side, that is minus x square plus 60 square is nothing but 3600 plus this is 120x. Now equal to, this is 900 minus 900, this is minus 60x is equal to 0. Now plus x square and minus x square is got cancelled. Since the first, I'll write it as minus x square. Now 120x minus 60x is nothing but plus 60x. Okay. And 3600 minus 900 is nothing but 2700 is equal to 0. Now since we have the minus for the first value, I'll just multiply this entire equation into minus 1. Okay, so that now we'll have x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Okay, now what I'll do is we have one formula where, like, while multiplying we need to get 2700, that is minus 2700. By adding the digits we should get minus 60. Now we need to find which are the two digit. If we add we get minus 60, and if you multiply we get 2700. So the two digits are minus 90 and plus 30. So if you subtract this or add this, minus 90 plus 30 is nothing but minus 60. If you multiply these two digits, then it will become minus 2700. So I'll just substitute these values in this equation, that is x square. I'll write minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Okay, so instead of 60x I just replaced it with this two value. Now I'll just take a common value here. I'll just take x as common, x minus 90 here, plus I'll take 30 as common, so x minus 39 is a 90 is a 2700. Okay, so two values nothing but say x minus 90, it's same, and the next is x plus 30 equal to 0. Now to find the value, x minus 90 is equal to 0, x is equal to 90. This is one value. Or another, x plus 30 is equal to 0, x is minus 30. Okay, we need to take any one of x values here. So I'll just take x as 90. Okay, so now we know the shorter side, 90 meter. That means AB is 90 meter. Then BC is x plus 30 meter, whereas x is 90 plus 30 meter, 120 meter. Next side is diagonal, that is AC, x plus 60 meter, whereas x is 90 plus 60 meter. So we have the value 150 meter. Okay, so we found the three values. Okay, so okay, now 26b, the question is, In a right angle triangle, the length of the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Among the remaining two sides, the length of one side is 7 centimeter more than the other side. Find the sides of the triangle. Okay, so you can either solve the 26th A question or 26th B question. No need to solve both the questions. Okay, just pick one and solve this. So now I'll just go through the steps for this. They have set in a right angle triangle. So I'll just draw the right angled triangle and I'll name it as A, B, C. This is 90 degrees. So this will become the hypotenuse AC, and they have given length of the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Next is length of one side is 7 centimeter more than the other side. So now we need to assume other side as x centimeter, so that this will be x plus 7 centimeter. Now we have to write everything, whatever we have assumed, we have to clearly write it. So let A, B, C be the triangle. Okay, ABC be the triangle. So AC is 13 centimeter and side AB is x centimeter. Side BC is x plus 7 centimeter. Now since it is a right angle triangle, we have one formula that is nothing but AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we have to replace it with the given value. Whereas AC value is 13 square is equal to AB value is x square, BC value is x plus 7 whole square. So for x plus 7 whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, we have to write this in the form of a plus b whole square. So 13 square is nothing but 169. Write x square as it is. Now write this x plus 7 whole square in the formula, expanded formula manner, that is x square plus 7 square plus 2 into x into 7. So next line it will be 169 is equal to x square plus x square is 2x square plus 7 square is 49 plus 7 2s are 14x. So I'll just rearrange this equation, that is 2x square plus 14x plus 49. This 169, when it comes to this side, it will become minus 169 is equal to 0. Next step is 2x square. So write 14x as it is. So minus 169 plus 49 will be minus 120 is equal to 0. Now we have to take 2 common from this equation, that is if I take out 2, so the equation will be x square, 2 ones are 2, 7s are 7x minus 60, that is 260 is a 120 is equal to 0. Now I'll just now same method what we used for the last questions, that is when we multiply we should get minus 60, when we add we should get plus 7. So the values are 12 and minus 5. So when we subtract 12 and minus 5 we get 7 as an answer. When we multiply this we get minus 60 as an answer. So in the place of 7x we need to replace it with these two values. So I'll just write it, x square plus 12x minus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. I'll just take x as common. So x plus x 12. Okay, now I'll take minus 5 as common. So that x, so 5 12. So I write it as plus equal to 0. Now we have two equations. One is x plus 12. Another one is x minus 5. So I'll write it x plus 12 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 12, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. Now I'll take this value and I'll find the two sides. Okay, so x is AB. AB is 5 centimeter. Okay, and BC is x plus 7 centimeter, nothing but 5 plus 7 centimeter, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, now moving on to the 27th question. Okay, so that is nothing but prove that sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a, or secant theta of 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1. Here in the 27th question we have two options. Either we have to solve the first one or the second one. So I'll just start solving the first question. Okay, that is sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So I'll consider this as LHS, this as RHS. Okay, so I'll write the LHS now. So LHS, left hand side. Okay, sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. Now this is in the form of a plus b whole square. We have to apply a plus b whole square formula here, that is a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So when I write it, that will become sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 into sin a into cosec a. Okay, plus I'll write this in the same format, that is cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a. Okay, now after writing it in the formula, next is simplifying it. So how do we simplify this? Okay, now sin square, we have to rearrange the equation. Okay, since I'll just rearrange sin square a, and in the equation we have cos square a. I'll write it together. Okay, plus I'll write, next is what we have, cosec square a, and next is plus 2 sin a into cosec a. So I'll write cosec a into 2 into sin a into, I'll write 1 by sin a. So you know 1 by sin a is nothing but cosec a. So instead of cosec a, I'll write 1 by sin a plus, now cos square we have already written. Next is secant square, write secant square as it is, plus 2 into cos A and secant A. Cos A, right? Cos A into secant A. So instead of writing of secant A, I'll write 1 by cos A. So you know that 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A. So now I'll just simplify. Sin square A plus cos square A. So we have one formula, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square A plus cos square A is nothing but 1 plus, okay, cosec square A, right, cosec square A. So this is nothing but 1. Now 2 into sin A got cancelled. So we have 2 plus, next is secant square A plus cos A got cancelled and we have 2. Now add all the numbers together. 2, 4, sorry. So now we have another formula. Okay, so that is cosec square A. So instead of cosec square A, we have cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. We have this formula. Next is secant square A. Instead of secant square A, we have 1 plus tan square A, because in the RHS we need to get this answer, that is tan square A plus cot square A. So whatever the data we have over here, we have to make sure we get either tan and cot in the equation. So since 1 plus cosec square A, we can write it as 1 plus cot square A, and we have the secant square A, we can write it as 1 plus tan square A. So I'll just write 1 as it is. Instead of cos square A, I'll write 1 plus cot square A. Okay, write 2 as it is. Secant square A, I'll write 1 plus tan square A plus 2. Now I'll add all the numbers. That is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. This is nothing but the RHS they have asked. So we have proved that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Okay, this is the answer. Now moving on to the next question, that is secant theta 1 minus. So now the next question, I'll write LHS secant theta 1 minus sin theta into secant theta plus tan theta. So the RHS should be 1. We should get 1 to prove this equation. So we know that secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta. So instead of secant theta, we have to write 1 by cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, next secant theta is again 1 by cos theta plus, we know that tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now I'll just simplify this equation, that is 1 minus sin theta in the numerator divided by cos theta in the denominator in one bracket. In the another one, 1 plus sin theta in the numerator, cos theta in the denominator. Okay, now you have to do the LCM, whereas cos theta is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so you know this formula, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So now you have to write this in the form of a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus sin square theta divided by here cos square theta. Okay, now 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So this is a formula. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta divided by cos square theta. So cos and cos get cancelled. We have 1 as an answer. So here LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the 28th question. Find the coordinates of the point on the line segment joining the points A minus 1, 7 and B 4, minus 3, which divides AB internally in the ratio 2:3. Or find the area of triangle PQR with vertices P of 0, 4, Q of 3, 0 and R of 3, 5. Okay, so first we have to write what they have given. Okay, I'll just solve the first question A. Here you can solve either this one or the B. No need to solve both questions. So I'll just start solving the A question. Okay, so that is, what is a given value? A minus 1, 7 and B 4, minus 3, and they have given 2:3 ratio. 2:3 ratio. Now we'll consider this as x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is m1, m2. So we know the formula to find the coordinates. Okay, so the formula here is P of x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now we need to replace this formula with the given values. That is 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3, comma 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Now 4 2s are 8 minus 3 1s are 3 divided by 5, comma minus 6 plus 21 divided by 5. Okay, so now so next is 5 by 5, comma minus 6 plus 21 is nothing but 15 by 5. So the P of x comma y value is 1, 3. So this is the answer. 5 1s are 5 3s. Okay. Now I'll just start with the B question. Whereas B question says, find the area of a triangle PQR with vertices P 0, 4, Q 3, 0 and R 3, 5. Okay, now we need to find the vertices of this equation. So how do we find it? What is the formula for this? We have the 3 vertices. So the given value is P 0, 4, Q 3, 0, R 3, 5. That is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. So the formula is A is equal to half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now we have to replace this with the given value. Okay, that is 1 by 2, right, as it is. X1 is nothing but 0, y2 is nothing but 0, y3 is 5, plus x2 is 3, y3 is 5, minus y1 is 4, plus x3 is 3, y1 is 4, minus y2 is 0. Okay, I'll just simplify this. 0 into anything is 0. Okay, 0 minus 5, so I'll just write here, it will become 0, plus 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, plus 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, so now the next step will be 1 by 2 to 0, 3, 12, we have it. 1 by 2, 0 plus 3 plus 12 is nothing but 15. So we have 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5 square unit. This is the vertices of triangle. Okay, so this is the answer. You can either solve 28A or 28B. Okay, so yeah.